Hello everyone and welcome to today's session in Shubhkaamna Academy. We'll be diving deeper into one of the most fascinating aspects of biology, the cell, our basic unit of life. Let's now explore the advanced structure that allow cells to function, grow, and communicate. The cell, part third and fourth. Introduction. In that introduction, this part of our journey focuses on the inner machinery of the cell, the protein networks, transport systems, energy producers, and communication tools. Understanding this will give us a better idea of how life functions at the end microscopic level. So imagine a tank held by poles. That's what the cytoskeleton does for the cell. It's made of protein filaments like actin and tubulin. It maintains cell shape, helps the cell move, and transports material inside the cell. Example, during cell division, structures called microtubules form the mitotic spindle which helps pull chromosomes apart. Cells need to move materials like nutrients and waste in and out. They do this through membrane transport. There is two transport methods. First one is passive transport. It does not need energy. It includes diffusion and osmosis, or facilitated diffusion through protein channels. Second one is the active transport, which requires energy to move things against the natural flow. Examples like pumps, endocytosis, which is taking in, and exocytosis, pushing for out. The next is the endomembrane system, manufacturing and shipping. Let's think of this system as a factory and delivery service inside the cell. The rough air makes proteins, the smooth endoplasmic system makes lipids. The Golgi apparatus is like a packaging center. It modifies, sorts, and ships the products. And the vesicles are likely deliver vans, and lysosomes are the recycling units that break down the waste. Next, moving towards mitochondria. Mitochondria, which is also known as powerhouse of the cell. This is the cell energy plant. It has a double membrane and the inner folds are called cristae. It makes energy in the form of ATP through cellular respiration. There is a fun fact. Mitochondria have their own DNA. This supports the idea that they were once independent organisms that formed a partnership with cells, a theory called endosymbiosis. Moving towards cell communication. Cells need to talk to each other for their communication, like signaling and response. Here's now. Signal can happen through direct contact, local messages, or long distance communication, like hormones. Receptors on that cell surface or inside detect these signals. Then, a process called signal transduction turns these signals into actions like dividing, moving, or producing proteins. Here are the summary and the conclusion. Let's wrap it up. We explore today the cytoskeleton for support and movement, how cells transport materials, the endomembrane systems as the manufacturing plant, the mitochondria as the energy source, and how cells communicate with signals. All these parts work together like a well-run city inside the cell. In our next lesson, we'll see how we'll specialize and how their malfunctions can lead to disease. Thank you.